Looking to unlink your Facebook account from Mobile Legends but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you how to disconnect Facebook account in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on Account. Your account ID will be required for the further process of disconnecting your Facebook account. Copy your account ID from the top right corner of your screen. At the right side of your screen, you can see Account Center. Tap on it. Below Account Security, tap on Disconnect Third-Party Account. Then tap on Facebook Account. After that, choose Disconnect via Connected Account. Then enter your account ID that you had copied. Then tap on OK button. Here you will have to choose an option for disconnecting your Facebook account in Mobile Legends. Select one and then tap on OK button. Now tap on Agree button. And that's how you can disconnect your Facebook account in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.